Got a blurry image? Let's turn it into crisp 8K quality in just minutes. Open the Google search engine and type Nordy. Click on the first link. After the page finishes loading, go to the search bar and type Real, Upscale, 8K. Then click on this link. After a few seconds of loading, click on Open in Comfy AI. Wait a few seconds, and you will see a wireframe setup appear. Now zoom in here. Next, click on File Direct Upload. Here, you can add the image you want to upscale. I choose this image for upscaling and I upload it here. Now, I zoom into the image. As you can see, the subject's skin texture is blurred and not very clear. The woman's eyes are also not sharp. So, let's go ahead and upscale this image by clicking the Q button. If this video helps you with your project, please comment on the video and subscribe to my channel to support me. You can check the website, I've added the link in the description. Check it out now. After a few seconds, you will see two 8K upscaled output images generated. Now look at the difference. The woman's eyes are clearer, the skin texture is enhanced, and the overall quality is amazing. Sharper lines, cleaner textures, and true 8K clarity. You can download the image by clicking on Generate Image and save it to your system. This is completely free, you don't need to pay for 8K upscaling. Just create an account using your Google Gmail account. If this video helps you, subscribe to the Swastik Creations Lab channel to get informative and latest videos like this every week. And let the AI rebuild every tiny detail, texture, and edge. And boom, look at the difference. Sharper eyes, cleaner skin texture, and true 8K quality. This is why creators and designers are switching to AI upscaling. If this video helped you, subscribe to Swastik Creations Lab for more powerful and informative AI tutorials every week. Now you can see the before image and the after image created using Nordy.ai 8K upscaling. It's really amazing. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to support and encourage me to bring you this type of content every week. Thanks for watching Swastik Creations Lab. See you in the next video.